Grape. Vitis vinifera is a fruit, botanically a berry of the deciduous woody vines of the flowering plant genus Vitis. Grapes can be eaten fresh as table grapes, or they can be used for making wine, jam, grape pulp, juice, jelly, grapeseed extract, raisins, vinegar, and grapeseed oil. Grapes are a non-climatic type of fruit generally occurring in clusters. The cultivation of the domesticated grape began 6,000 to 8,000 years ago in the Near East. Major areas under cultivation is concentrated in central and peninsular Indian states like Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, and limited areas of north. At present, grape is cultivated in the area of about 80,000 hectares with an annual production of 2 million tons. Grapes are good source of vitamin K, copper and many of the B vitamins. Adding that, they are also a good source of fiber relatively low in calories. There are several colors of grapes including red, black, purple or blue, green, pink and yellow. Now we'll understand about grape pulp. Grape pulp means unfermented but fermentable product intended for direct consumption obtained from edible portion of sound ripe grapes. Pulp is used for the production of various value-added products. Now, let us have a look on processing grape pulp. The first step is reception. The reception step consists in receiving, weighing and pre-selecting fruits, thus avoiding entrance of unsuitable fruits within the processing line and improving the final product quality. Fruit pre-selection should be conducted efficiently in order to remove physically damaged, dirty or completely decayed fruits which could spoil the final product. The next step is destemming. The removal and separation of grape berries from the stem is an important step in the pulp making process. Destemming machines will be employed at the large scale level. The next step is washing. Usually consists of washing fruits with water to eliminate impurities and part of the microbial load brought from plantations. Fruit immersion into sodium hypochlorite solution is usually performed for 15 minutes using concentration between 20 and 100 ppm to reduce the microbial load to permissible levels. The next step is thermal extraction. Grapes are briefly mixed in potable water and heated to reach 67 to 75 degrees Celsius for 2 minutes. This makes fruit skin soften and aids in better extraction. The process would also deactivate enzymes and kill surface microorganisms. The next step is pulping. Fruit pulp processing is carried out with the aid of pulper finishers containing sieves with different apertures to separate peels, seeds and fibers from pulp. Fruit pulping should be performed continuously and rapidly because the cooling or freezing time directly influences on the fruit pulp quality. The pulp and seeds are collected separately. The next step is heat treatment. The filtered pulp is now heat treated in the open kettle pasteurization system. The system consists of 3 stages: heating, temperature maintenance with the continuous stirring and cooling. The pulp needs to be heated for around 10 minutes till the product reaches 90 degrees Celsius uniformly. This treatment helps in reducing mold and yeast counts, thermotolerant coliform and aerobic mesophils, salmonella if any. The next step is filling and packing. The treated pulp is finally filled into different types of packs. Carbo cans with a capacity up to 35 to 40 liters are widely used in the industries. Glass bottles may also used to pack the pulp for having longer shelf life. Pulp can be stored at room temperature for several months and used to prepare various products like juices, RTS or drinks, etc. The importance of quality and safety protocol. To create quality output, the tools like good manufacturing practices, standard operating procedures, microbial risk assessment, quality management, total quality management and hazard analysis critical control points need to be established place. Project cost. Land and building 30 lakhs approximately, plant and machinery 10 lakhs, other assessed including preliminary or pre-operative expenses 2 lakhs, operating expenses 2 lakhs. You can start this project with an investment of 25 lakhs.